how's it going, you guys? Marty Schwartz here again, guitarjams.com. I'm going to give you the second part of Black Magic Woman right now. Hopefully you've familiarized yourself with my first half, because we're going to just get right into the next lick. I'm going to zoom in and show it to you right now. Here we go. Alright, so this next lick has the ring finger on the 12th fret of the G string, and we're going to play it. This is actually a G minor, basically a G minor arpeggio. So we're going to do ring finger on the 12th fret of the G string, then middle finger on the 11th fret of the B string, index finger on the 10th fret of the high E, like this. Then you could do ring finger to the 12th fret. Keep in mind that these are just great D minor, basically. The key of D minor is what this is called. And any of these licks are going to be great for your arsenal for D minor style licks. So we got. And we can move that up to the 13th fret. And we can kind of dig in and bend it up a whole step. You could also slide your ring finger up to the next dot right there if you can't bend it. But it sounds like this. Same note. Then we're going to bend that dot right there, 15th fret, whole step up, hold it out, kind of let it come back down, and we're going to go 13 on the high E to 15 on the B, back to 13 on the high E, like this. So here's everything we have so far. Here's everything we got so far, super slow. I'm going to get my ring finger up to the next dot right here, so the 17th fret, and we're going to bend that up whole step and a half step to this note, which sounds like this. You got to bend it really far. Here's everything. And he kind of resolves it back and just slides it off, like just like that. So here's everything so far. Alright, on to the next thing. Index finger back to the root on the 10th fret, one time. Okay, now we're going to skip the B string and bend the G string up a whole step, back down with one pick. Yeah, so we got to pull it off to the 10th, back to the 12 with the ring finger. Now bend it up again. So it's a natural again. So boom. Alright, let me do that again. So everything from what we've learned in this section. Now we have to do a little trill right here. So we're going to go index fingers planted on the 10th of the G, and we're going to hammer on pull off with one pick on that 12th fret on the same string. So we have to go to the 12th fret on the D string. Tenth fret on the D, back to 12 again on the D, then down the blues scale. So it's 12, 11, 10 on the A string. Then we go to, boom, 8th fret of the A string, and then 10, 8, 10, 8 on the low E into a D minor 7 chord, which I play like this. Middle finger on the 10th fret, and then ring finger covers the 10th fret of the D, G, and B. And the A string's muted. So here's all that phrase there. Got a black magic woman. And then I'll teach you the chord progression. But so here it is. So the rhythm part, we're going to start with that D minor chord, that D minor 7 chord that I showed you, and we just go bum, 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 bum. So, we just kind of start with a kind of a simple rhythm. Bum, 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 ba-dum. Then we do the same thing on the 5th fret root, which is an A minor 7. Then we go back to the original. Boom, now to the 3rd fret, which is a G minor 7. Then it does D minor, A minor, back to D minor, and break. So it's basically a minor blues, which brings me up to, a lot of this stuff's covered in my blues domination package. But anyway, back to this. We've got D minor, and it's for got a black magic woman. And then we go to the A minor 7. We go back to D minor 7. We stay there a little longer. Then we go to G minor 7. Go back to D minor 7. A minor 7, back to D. Then we solo all day. Those goofy faces. Ain't all we have to do. You know what? Anyway, sorry. It's like 106 degrees right here in my garage. This is where my studio is, so anyway, that's what we got for right now. As I dabble-dibble my dribble. GuitarJams.com, Marty Schwartz, sweating to the oldies just for you guys, all right? So check out my stuff, you know what I'm saying? See you later.